Hi guys, a new site today. It's an expired domain which has a Spamzilla score of 21. Just an announcement, from today onwards I won't be sharing the domain URLs or sites that I launch. I'll simply share the domain history, where it's hosted, the domain niche and keyword research, the category structuring, etc. But I won't be revealing the domain URLs. The domain is hosted on EasyBlog Networks again. I love it. It's a great service. I have also restored the author name, which was previously the owner. You should try to get as many EEAT signals out from the history, and also go to all those social profiles and link back to it. So the domain is in technology niche. I'm just going to use keyword chef niche insights to do some keyword research. Previously, the domain was used to share stuff on how to use some apps and stuff, but we'll do some of those titles as well. But I'll see if I can get some good enough niches in the technology niche. So I'll simply sort this as for CPC filter high. And so this looks nice, right? iOS projects, and we can do how to titles in iOS. It's also related to apps. So that's a plus thing, because the domain history was about apps, right? So we can simply move the topics to start developing your own apps in iOS or Android or Windows Store as well. So that's a good niche to go after. It has good enough CPC. So that's one. Next is cybersecurity is a good niche, but I'm not really sure if we ask ChatGPT, give me some titles on cybersecurity projects, and it might block the request saying this is unethical. I'm just going to ignore it. But yeah, this is quite nice. I love keyword chef as well. SaaS security is also good niche. It's a micro niche. How to protect your SaaS from this, from that, etc. From frauds or from hacking, from SQL injection, from carding. There's a lot of stuff that can be covered. You know what? I think nothing suits me. I think iOS development should be a great project, because my mind is basically stuck there, and anything else that I'm reading, it's not really worth it. And it has the highest CPC as well. It might not be that accurate, but we'll see. Okay, so we'll just go to Discover, go to iOS projects, and let me just find some questions, or iOS app development, or how to develop. I'll do this. How to iOS app. Let's see what we come up with. How to build an iOS app. How to rebuild Flutter iOS app. Yeah, this is quite nice, right? How to create provisioning profile for iOS app. How to make iOS app with Java, Python, React, Swift. It's quite great. So this is it. Like, this site will have not many articles. Development niche. We have gone into that. I'll rename this as iOS app, Windows app, apps. That's it. So we have three niches. Let's get to it. I'll simply use the same wildcard for Android, iOS, and Windows. Get all soaps. Discover again. So this is a great tool. I think this will help me launch so many sites. Just get an idea on what type of topics there are, instead of prompting chat GPT to give you some ideas. You'll have a lot more options if you just reduce the CPC. So this was the niche research part. I'll quickly create titles for these articles, and then we'll be good to go with the auto posting. And anything further from here is basically shared in our private mastermind group. I'll simply share the niches from now onwards, like I said. And that's it, guys. See you tomorrow with a new site. I'll be done with this one in like 30 minutes or so. So, see you. Bye.